Hello, children. A very good morning to all of you. Hope you all have spent your summer vacation very happily and very comfortably. This is perhaps the first time where you might have not left the town to spend your summer vacation due to the precaution which is being taken by each and every member of the house. So, never mind. Even this time, though you did not go out for your vacation, but you had a very happy time with all the family members inside the house, having fun, playing games, chatting to each other, and eating tasty and delicious food prepared by your mother, isn't it? So, I do believe that during the vacation, you all not only spent your time watching television, playing, having fun, but at the same time, you all also might have spent your time doing your holiday homework and studying for your upcoming periodic test, isn't it? Am I right? So, you all have done your holiday homework? Okay, I believe you all might have done because you all are very good and obedient students of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. So, very soon I would be asking all of you to submit your holiday homework in the group so that correction could be carried out. But now, as after the vacation we have come back again with the online classes so that you don't sit idle at home and spend your time uselessly. So children, make use of your time and concentrate on your studies and let us start with the next chapter so that we can continue with our syllabus. So you all have completed till unit 3. Your teacher Akanksha ma'am had already completed till unit 3, isn't it? Now, myself, Anuradha Sinha, would be continuing your maths class from today onwards. And every day, I would be taking your maths class. The routine has already been provided to you. Every day, during that period, I would be interacting with all of you with the new maths sums. So let us begin. We will begin with chapter 4, that is unit 4, and the chapter is multiplication. Do you remember that in class 2 also there was one chapter on multiplication and you all have started with that and you know about it. So now you will know something more about it. Whatever you have done in standard 2, now you will know more about it. We will proceed further. So look at the first sum. See here children. Can you see 3 flowers? 1, 2 and 3. All these flowers are of different colors. Well, we are not talking about colors. We would be talking about numbers. See, in each flower, how many petals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 petals. Petals means पंखुड़ियाँ. In फूलों की पंखुड़ियाँ. 5 petals in each flower. Altogether, there are how many flowers? 3 flowers. And how many petals in each? There are 5. So if you look at the petals in the first flower, how many petals do you have? 5. Then again in the second one, how many do you have again? 5 plus 5. Then in the third one, how many do you have again? You have again 5. So can you see here? First flower you have 5 petals. Second flower again you have 5 petals. Third flower again you have 5 petals. So all together this is 5 plus 5 plus 5. Now these 5 is how many times? कितनी बार? Many times means कितनी बार ये 5 आता है? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So this is 3 times 5. 5 is repeated how many times? 5 is repeated 3 times. So in place of times, now you will put here a multiplication sign and write here 5. 3 times 5 means 3 into 5. 3 bar 5. 3 times this 5 is repeated. So you will write here 3 into 5. So how much is 3 into 5? 3 into 5 is 15. This is 3 into 5 is 15. So there are 15 petals in 3 such flowers. How many petals? You have to write here 15. So did you get it? How we have done it? First we have seen the number of petals in each flower. First we wrote that 5. Again how many petals? Again we write 5. Again how many petals? Again we write 5. So how many times this 5 is being repeated? That is 3 times. That is 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. So total how many petals these 3 flowers are having? Total 3 flowers are having 15 petals. In the same way we will do the second one. See how many cars are here? We have 2 cars. And how many wheels are there in these 2 cars? In the first car, how many wheels do we have? 4 wheels. Though here only 2 wheels are seen. 2 wheels are at the back side, which cannot be seen from this side. So a car has, you all know this, that a car has 4 wheels. So first car has 4 wheels. Now the second car. The second car also has 4 wheels, isn't it? Now how many times, how many cars are there? There are 2 cars. 2 times this 4 is being repeated. The first car also has 4 wheels. The second car also has 4 wheels. And there are 2 cars. So what you will write here? 2 times 4. कितनी बार ये 4 रिपीट हो रहा है? First car also 4 times, 4 wheels. Second car also 4 wheels. So 2 times, as there are 2 cars. So 2 times 4 plus 4. So 2 times 4. 2 बार 4 repeat हो रहा है 2 times. So it is 2 into 4. That is 8. So here you will write there are 8 wheels in 2 cars. What you will write? There are 8 wheels in 2 such cars. Now move to the third sum. Can you see here? These are the buses. Buses of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. Now see, now our school bus is of yellow color, isn't it? I have put here red color. Now each bus, can you see 4 people are there in each bus? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the same way you can do it. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times? 5 times, because 5 buses are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 people in each bus. 4 people in this one, 4 people in this one, 4 people in this one, 4 people in this one and 4 people in this one. So how many buses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो कितनी बार ये रिपीट हो रहा है? 4, 5 times. So 5 times 4. 5 times 4 means what you will write here? 5 into 4. That is 20. There are 20 people in 5 such buses. Next one, same way. 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many times these 3 cups are repeated? How many times? It's 4 times, because on every table there are 3 cups. So how many times this will be repeated? This will be repeated 4 times 3. So the answer would be 4 into 3. That is 12. So when you will write the statement, what will be the statement? The statement will be, there are 12 cups on 4 tables. So this is the example that I have given you. Okay, this is not the problem sums of your book. This is the examples that I have explained you. Now what you will do as classwork is, same kind of sums are given on page number 36. What you have to do is, you have to do page 36 as classwork, and after doing that classwork you will send it in the group so that I can do the correction and send it back to you. Now come to the next exercise. The next exercise is worksheet 1. Worksheet 1, that is page 37. This is very, very, very simple exercise. Just look at the exercise and you will see to it how simple this exercise is. We will start with single digit number multiplication. A number being multiplied by single digit number. 3 is a single digit number. You have to multiply 122 by 3. Up, how we will multiply now? Just see. First we will multiply 3 with the ones place number. Ones place number is 2. You can see here the different places. In the ones place you have 2. In the tens place again you have 2. In the hundreds place you have 1. So we will first multiply 3 with the digit at the ones place. 3 2s are 6. Again we will multiply 3 with the digit at the tens place. 3 2s are again 6. Then we will multiply 3 with the number at the hundreds place, that is 1. So 3 1s are 3. So the number that you get is 366. This number again has 3 digits number. This is a 3-digit number. 6 is at ones place, 6 is at tens place, and 3 is at hundreds place. Here you don't have to carry any number. No carrying forward because these are single digit numbers. Now come to the second question. Again you see here we have 2 at the ones place, 3 at the tens place, and 2 at the hundreds place. We will multiply 3 with this 3-digit number. So what kind of multiplication is this? This is multiplication by a single digit number. 3 2s are 6. Again 3 multiplied by number at the tens place. 3 3s are 9. And again 3 multiplied with the number at the hundreds place. 3 2s are 6. So the number that you get is 696, where 6 is at ones place, 9 is at tens place, and 6 is at hundreds place. Here you have to remember only one thing, that you have to start the multiplication with the ones digit number. You will not start with the hundreds digit number. कभी भी hundreds digit के नंबर पे जो नंबर है उसे मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना है. जब भी मल्टीप्लाई शुरू करेंगे we will start with the digit at the ones place. हमेशा ones place में जो digit रहेगा उसे ही पहले मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. And also you have to remember one thing, children, that when you are doing multiplication, you have to be very, very thorough with your tables. If you do not remember the table, then the answer that you will get after multiplication would be completely wrong. So, before starting with your multiplication chapter, I would suggest all of you to first learn, and if you already know it, revise all the tables from 2 to 20 so that you can practice this multiplication very, very properly and you do not make any kind of mistake. Tables should be practiced every day, just as the way you brush your teeth, isn't it? This is a daily habit of yours that you brush your teeth daily. In the same way, good handwriting should be practiced daily, and tables should also be practiced daily. So let me do the third sum with you. So the third sum says 4 ones are 4, again 4 ones are 4, again 4 twos are 8. So what we have done is, we have first started with the number at the ones place. We have multiplied 4 with 1. Then we continued with number at the tens place. We multiplied 4 with 1 again. And then we continued with the number at the hundreds place. That is 2. We multiplied 4 with 2. Now what you have to do, children, is that I have explained you how to do this worksheet. I have explained sum number 1, sum number 2 and sum number 3 to you. You will do sum number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 as homework. You will complete all this sum, and then after doing your homework, you will send this homework in the WhatsApp group so that it can get corrected. Be very thorough with your tables and very, very patiently, with very neat and clean work, complete your work and then send it back to the group. Thank you.